We're staying in a balcony cabin on the Norwegian Bliss, Deck 10, Room 126, portside. Let's check out the room. You need to have a card in here to power the lights. I just use an old ship card that I leave in there. These switches activate a light outside the door for privacy or to make up the room. They have hooks up here for coats, hats, or to hang your lanyards. You can also get magnetic hooks if you need to hang up more things. The walls are made of metal. It's a nice size room. The beds can be made up as singles or put together as a queen. At each side of the bed are reading lights and an end table with some open shelf space. The lights both have a USB charger on it, handy to charge your phone. There's space under the bed to store your suitcases. There's a small TV. You can see the view from the bridge, a map of your itinerary, and some live news and sports. They also have a small selection of free movies, and some that are pay-per-view for the newer releases. There's a room service menu near the TV. You can order breakfast for a $5 fee. Just mark the items that you'd like and the time you want it delivered, and hang the form out on your door handle before 4 o'clock in the morning. Every day you'll get a freestyle daily that tells you the times that all the restaurants are open and all the events that are happening that day. There's a large couch and a desk station. This is where the electric outlets are. They have 1 European and 3 North American outlets. You can bring a power strip, but make sure it doesn't have an on-off switch. This can be a seat or a table. They have a blow dryer under here. In the cabinets, there's a small fridge, and there's 2 more cabinets with shelf space. There's a closet that has drawers and a safe on this side, and on the other side there's a lot of space to hang clothing. Now let's look at the bathroom. It has a nice layout. It doesn't feel too small. It has glass doors, which is much nicer than a shower curtain. They have a nice amount of counter space and shelves to keep your toiletries. Inside, they have shower gel and a combination shampoo conditioner, so you may want to pack your own hair products. Let's look at the balcony. There are 2 chairs and a small table. You overlook larger balconies down below. This is a great spot to enjoy a drink and watch the sunset. Thanks for watching Taste for Travel. Please subscribe to see all our latest travel tours, tips, and reviews. Cheers!